All right, first practice lap.
Let's go, girl. Head to head.
Yeah.
I got both sides.
Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, I'm gonna go on the other side now for sure.
Crush it, you're so fast.
Thank you.
Those first, like, wait, are we supposed to be on a certain side of those flags?
I like to drop my heels a bit.
Okay.
And obviously don't be on your brakes.
So I pretty much decided like last minute that I was actually gonna do the GoPro Games Dual Slalom again. Yeah, I like really was just not gonna do it this year because I didn't know anyone that was doing it. And then last night I went into Mountain Standard and the server that I know was like, yo, I signed up, like, are you doing it? And then I was like, oh shoot. So then it got me thinking, and then I was like, he's like, you have like 30 minutes to sign up, like it's 5:30, registration closes at 6. And so I just decided to do it. I was like, screw it. Like, I'm like, Brian made a good point. Like, I was just like, oh, there's just like not that many girls that do it. And I was like, yeah, well, that means like someone has to be the one that kind of starts paving the way. So out here doing it again. So I'm just kind of like trying to represent the girls that do these sports. And it's really fun also. Obviously I'm competitive, so I'm gonna try my hardest. I'm gonna go as fast as I can, but at the same time I'm like, hey, I'm mostly here just because I want to be like not so afraid of being a girl in these sports, right? And I want to show other people that like you can do it too. So that's my main purpose for competing. So apparently I screwed up the audio in this part, but pretty much I was saying that I was biking up for the qualifying laps for the GoPro Dual Slalom.
Green 300, blue 30.
Kind of sideways on this, but I guess we'll roll with it. Yes.
Yep. Yep, that's correct.
Government name.
Okay, riders, random start. Riders, ready? Watch the gate.
Another pair of killer runs there. 33:07 for the blue lane, 33:85 for the green.
What's up? I was like, who is cheering? Us, of course. I gotta go again, but
Yes, we'll pay attention this time, so we know what you look like, and we're gonna videotape you.
Hawaiian baby.
Ready? Watch the gate.
I hate that part.
309 crosses the line with a 33:44.
Hell yeah.
Green lane 33:34, blue lane 34:88.
Out on a corner and
Combined
saved
time,
it.
green 36:98. 36:98 for rider 229.
Yeah.
Combined time 1:14:39. 1:14:39 combined.
Oh, wow, that was I'm the most uncoordinated person. So, this is pretty much my worst organized, put together video that I've made. I just got back from the second day of the GoPro Dual Slalom and ended up placing 3rd place. And I'm honestly really proud of myself for that one. So we actually ended up getting 2 more people in our group because they just like got rid of a whole category of girls because there was only 2 people on that one, and it was, I think they were like 18, 19, so I don't know. It was like some age different group, and they just got rid of it and they put them in our group. So we had 4 people today, which was fun. I screwed up my first run right at the gate. I was like, you know what, we're just gonna go for it. Like, whatever happens, we're just gonna go as fast as we can. Immediately hit the berm and slid out. Like, it was so dusty. I just got no traction and just ate it on the ground first lap, and I was like, great, good start. That kind of like blew my confidence a little bit. Pretty much at that point I lost first, second place, so I was just like, second run didn't really matter. And then we went again, and I raced Liz again, which was cool, and it was like for 3rd or 4th place pretty much. And I don't know, I feel like I mentally clicked right when I got on the gate again. I was like, all right, let's go, let's make this happen, and put down 2 pretty solid runs. I think I could have done better, but my confidence wasn't like 100% after taking that fall. And I don't know, I'm just really proud of myself, and I'm really happy I went out there and met a lot of cool people, and I think that's honestly the best part. Sorry I didn't do a good job of videoing though. But yeah, I'll just wrap up this video with some great quality iPhone videos of my 2 runs.
Valentine looks to be in the green, Smith in the blue, gate down, they're on course around turn number 1. Pumping through those first few rollers. Slight advantage maybe in blue lane. But Elizabeth doing everything she can to stay close.
Let's go, Ash!
Of Smith into the final straightaway over the last few features. Run number 1 of the consolation. That blue lane got the rudder out on turn 1. Dead even around turn 3, and this is where it looks like Smith is able to start pulling ever so slightly ahead. Dead even out of the toilet bowl. The advantage point 855 for Smith. She's on that green lane. She needs to get clean through this rhythm section.
Let's go, Ash!
Ashley Smith.